24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano sort of is floating at $499,526,838 in an especially significant manner. ADA down around 1.23% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, which truly is very critical. Cardano's EMA10 for the most part shows a vertical pattern, which certainly is very critical. Cardano for the most part shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, exhibiting that Cardano's EMA10 truly shows a vertical pattern, which certainly is genuinely huge. 23 December 2023, in this video we will really walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Cardano, certainly is ADA a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the ADA specialized examination, for the most part let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations, truly further appearance how 23 December 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what certainly is especially transient cost expectation for Cardano, for the most part is ADA a genuinely wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,659,300,959,381, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The extremely absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $54,944,631,622, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.3%. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span. Pretty further appearance how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. BNB, the local coin of BNB, really is somewhere around 0.4 and presently exchanging at $268.25, showing how BNB, the very local coin of BNB for the most part is somewhere near 0.4 and as of now exchanging at $268.25, which for the most part is very huge. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.81% in esteem, exhibiting that BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB, generally is somewhere near 0.4 and at present exchanging at $268.25, showing how BNB, the fundamentally local coin of BNB, essentially is somewhere around 0.4 and right now exchanging at $268.25 in a kind of significant manner. These occasions fundamentally show that the market essentially is going in a very descending course for present moment, which especially is very huge. As of now, a kind of broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how furthermore XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.81% in esteem, exhibiting that BNB, the very local coin of BNB, really is somewhere near 0.4 and as of now exchanging at $268.25. Showing how BNB, the especially local coin of BNB, truly is somewhere near 0.4 and at present exchanging at $268.25 in a by and large huge manner. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants especially become move kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, essentially further appearance how as of now and in every way that really matters, general exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution. ADA in every practical sense has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.23% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%. Truly further appearance how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on in a fundamentally significant manner. The especially current worth of Cardano generally is floating at 61 cents, with the exchanging volume of $499,526,838 United States dollars in the equivalent time span. Pretty further appearance how Cardano's EMA10 explicitly shows a vertical pattern, or so they generally thought. The especially by and large market cap for ADA truly is $21,462,538,912 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.94% over the course of the week, exhibiting that following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution. ADA by and large has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.23% in fundamentally most recent 24 hours. Which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Pretty further appearance how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Cardano value examination. ADA cost investigation for 23 December 2023, inside an everyday time span, really made sense of beneath, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to fundamentally dissect the future development of the Cardano. Exhibiting how the genuinely generally speaking market cap for ADA in every practical sense is $21,462,538,912 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.94% throughout the week, showing that following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution. ADA essentially has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.23% in genuinely most recent 24 hours. Which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Fundamentally further appearance how Cardano support and opposition levels and so on in a genuinely large manner. The ADA United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and dissimilar.